random disclaimer. Hey, don't do anything that I say in this song, okay? It's fucking fiction. If anything happens, don't fucking blame me.
Okay, so today we'll be exposing underrated YouTubers.
Our first victim.
DW guys, I got permission.
So their name is Amber Goated Name BTW.
You'll understand if you let me stay the night. Would you love me more if I killed someone for you? Would you hold my hands? There's a sequence that I used when I killed someone for you.
I saw you wanna end up dead. You do not mess with the Cuphead, not said. 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 You'll never catch me crying over milk and spoon. My head ain't empty, but who knows which one is real? I took that devilish gamble, nothing that a Cuphead couldn't handle. And now it's time to put the ribbity-bitty-brew.
En forse final channel rating y Leroy me rolle le PL7.
10/10ths I definitely don't like binge watch these vids. And that's it for this week's Exposing Underrated YouTubers.
Tune back in next week for our second vitamin. Wait, no. I mean victim.